Take a look at this charming 1945 home with so much potential. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice that the renovation process has already begun, giving you a head start on creating your dream home. The second floor has been finished, providing additional floor space to accommodate your growing needs. With 10-foot ceilings on the first floor, there's a sense of spaciousness and grandeur that welcomes you home. This property boasts generously sized rooms, allowing you to create comfortable living spaces that suit your lifestyle. The sizable lot provides ample outdoor space for gardening, entertaining, or simply enjoying the tranquility of your own backyard oasis.